Hi friends, welcome to Nagaraju Sir YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, click bell button and share with your friends. Thank you for watching my videos. Today in this video we are going to know about intermediate second year mathematics 2A, the third chapter, quadratic expressions. Okay. Now we discussed in this chapter we have one 4 marks question and one 2 marks question. Almost all it is a small chapter. So in part 1 we have completed 7 4 marks. Those are very important. So we will give the link in the description also for part 1 quadratic expressions by Nagaraju Sir. And in this part 2, the 8th question is, if the expression x minus 3 by x square minus 3x plus 2 takes all real values for x belongs to R, find the limits for P. So how to solve this? So for every problem in this chapter, in these 4 marks questions, first of all, let y equal x minus p by x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, na? First of all, we should take let y equal the given function. So immediately y into cross multiplication, y into this 1 into x minus 3. So we get y into x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal 1 into x minus 3 means x minus 3. Now multiply y into x square, y into 3x, 3yx, y into 2, 2y, and x minus 3 bring left side, plus x bring left side becomes minus x, and plus 3 is equal to 0. So now what is the x square coefficient? Only y into x square, and x coefficient here minus 1 is there, here minus 3y, so you can take minus common and x common, then remaining 3y plus 1. What about the remaining terms? We have 2y and plus 3, so 2y plus 3 are the remaining terms. See, this is the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So I am comparing with the general quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 model. Then what is a? A means y and b means minus of 3y plus 1 and c means 2y plus p. Okay, we should find the limits for p. So then, if x belongs to R, real numbers. So it consists real numbers means the discriminant is given that x is real. So discriminant b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0 means what is mean by b? B means minus of 3y plus 1 whole square minus 4 means 4, a means y, and c means 2y plus p greater than or equal to 0. Okay, we should solve the given form. Minus consists square becomes minus square means plus. Next apply a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square like that. A square means 3y whole square. So 3y square plus 2ab is 2 into 3y into 1 plus b square means 1 square. Okay, a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Then minus 4y into 2y. How much? Minus 8y square. Minus 4y into 2y, 4 to the 8y square, minus 4y into p, minus 4yp is greater than or equal to 0. So now 3 square means 9, y square means y square. So 9y square plus 2 3 is 6y and 1 square means 1 minus 8y square minus 4yp is greater than or equal to 0. Now what are the y terms? Here 9 y terms are there, here minus 8 y terms are there. So totally we get 1y square. And what about y terms? Here 6 are there, here minus 4p by r there. So in both 6 and minus 4p take out common remaining into y. Okay, 6 minus 4p into y. Plus what are the remaining constants? 1 is there, is there number. Now again this is in the form of ay square plus by plus c. See, comparing it again general, but it is in terms of y. So by plus c model so is greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0. Okay, what is a? 1. What is b? 6 minus 4b. What is c? 1. So here b square minus 4ac take less than 0. To get limits of p, already we have taken greater than or equal to 0 because of there x is a real number mentioned, that's why we have taken greater than or equal to 0. Now take less than 0. So b square means what? 6 minus 4p whole square minus 4 into a means what? 1 into c means 1 is less than 0. So now it is also a minus b whole square form. So a square means 6 square means 36 minus 2ab. 2 6 are 12 4 are 48b plus b square means 16b square minus 4 less than 0. Okay, 16b square minus 48b. Next to 36 minus 4 becomes what? Plus 32 less than 0. In all terms 4 is common. Am I right? Is 4 common? Not only 4, 16 is common. 16 1 jar, 16 3 jar, 16 2 jar. So the equation will be 16 1 jar, 16 into p square, 16 into 3p, 16 into 2 less than 0. So calculation, first term and last term as this. So instead of middle minus 3p, we can write minus 1p minus 2p. Am I right? Instead of 3p. Okay, do factorization process. From first to what is common? P is common, so p minus 1. And next to what is common? Minus 2 is common. Less than 2. Again, in both terms, p minus 1 is common. So p minus 1 into p minus 2 less than 0. So which is in the form of x minus alpha into x minus beta less than 0, then x belongs to alpha comma beta. So here p belongs to 1 common. That means 1 less than p less than 2. So what are the p limits? Limits of p is from 1 to up to 2. Sorry, from after 1 and below 2. Those are the limits of that's it. Okay, this is also important question. So take first y is equal to the given expression. In this chapter, every problem we should take like in this way. Because of why we are taking y means in the previous part I explained very clearly. Okay, and do cross multiplication, simplify. Take x is real, b square minus 4 is greater than equal to 0 condition, and applying that and simplify, we get p value lies between 1 and 2. Okay. Let us take 9th, 10th, 11th, and 3 more problems are there. Then we can complete this part. 4 marks are completed. Okay, let us see next question. 9th one. Let small a comma b comma c belongs to capital R. A is not equal to 0. Then the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are non-real complex numbers if and only if ax square plus bx plus c and a have same sign for all x belongs to R. Okay now? Here, suppose ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 have non-real complex numbers. Have non-real complex numbers means what about the roots? Non-real complex numbers means b square minus 4ac less than 0. Okay? So given that ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has non-real complex numbers. That means b square minus 4ac less than 0. Okay? If you multiply with minus on both sides, minus 4ac becomes plus 4ac, plus b square becomes minus b square, and less than becomes greater than 0. Equation 1. Okay na? This is the condition. In nature of the roots also we have discussed it in the previous part. If roots are real, we should take b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. If roots are complex, we should take b square minus 4ac less than 0. Okay? Then now take the expression ax square plus bx plus c. I am going to simplify. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal. So take a is divide with a in this term. We get x square plus b by ax plus c by a. Okay now? What we have done? We have divided with a and also multiplied with a. So which is equal. So now a bring left side. A bring left side. Can we bring? Finally, okay. This is called a into x square plus. I'm writing multiply and divide with 2. Why I am doing like this? You just know b by 2a into x plus c by a. Because of to express this x square plus 2ab, a square plus 2ab, 2ab model. That's why I have multiplied and divided with 2. And immediately adding b by 2a whole square and subtracting b by 2a whole square and plus c by a as this. So now this is in the form of x plus b by 2a whole square. Why? a square plus 2ab plus b square 1. That's why you can write x plus b by 2 a plus b whole square. And the remaining terms here plus c by a I am writing first of all, minus c b square means b square by 2a whole square means 4a square by 4a square. So now simplifying this, so which is equal, this is actually ax square plus bx plus c is equal a into now this is as it is x plus b by 2a whole square and plus see in both denominator what is the LCM, 4a square is the LCM, already a is there, so 4a into c becomes 4ac minus b square, that's it. Yes, and left side, so ax square plus bx plus c by a is equal x plus b by 2a whole square plus 4ac minus b square by 4a square. Okay, actually to be frank, first 8 questions are very most important, and remaining this 9th, 10th, 11th 3 questions are there. These are very little bit important. Okay, now most probably we can expect the question from the previous 8 problems. Okay, for more problems we just do these sums also. Now tell me, is x plus b by 2a positive or not? X plus b by 2a whole square value, yes, positive, because the square of any term becomes positive. And what about 4a square? This is also positive. 4 is positive, a square also becomes positive. What about 4ac minus b square? 4ac minus b square also greater than 0, positive. So completely the expression value is positive, means greater than 0. So finally we got ax square plus bx plus c by a value is greater than 0. That means if the value is greater than 0 means if it is positive, it should be positive. Am I right? Positive by positive becomes positive greater than 0. If it is negative, it must be negative. Because of negative by negative means negative negative cancel becomes positive then 0. So to satisfy this greater than 0 condition, both should be either negatives or positive. That means both have same sign. Yes. Therefore, ax square plus bx plus c and a have same sign. Got it proved? That we have to do. If and only ax square plus bx plus c and a have same sign. Yes. Okay now? So implies if and only if. Okay now? Just apply if and only if and only if and only if and only ax square plus bx plus c and a have same sign. So this is the proof of this 9th question. And let us have a problem 10th one and 11th. Then we can complete. Okay, let us take next 10th question. Let a comma b comma c belongs to R. A is not equal to 0 such that the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has real roots alpha and beta with alpha less than beta. Then prove that first one. Okay, after this we have a problem. With that 11th problem we can complete these 4 marks questions. Prove that first one. For alpha less than x less than beta, ax square plus bx plus c and a have opposite sign. For x less than alpha or x greater than beta, ax square plus bx plus c and a have same sign. Okay, just a little bit different with the previous question. Previous question is roots are complex numbers and the process is different. But here the roots are real roots. Has real roots. What are the real roots? Alpha and beta. Alpha and beta. Okay. So in the solution, so given that alpha and beta are roots of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Then immediately sum of zeros what? Sum of roots. Sum of roots is equal alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. And product of roots what? Product of roots. Alpha into beta equal c by 2 conditions we know because of based on the given condition alpha and beta roots are so and so. So therefore the expression ax square plus bx plus c is equal to, we can write a if we take out common, then x square plus b by ax plus c by a. So a being left side, so it becomes ax square plus bx plus c. Because of later also we should bring left side. In the previous problem also we can write in the starting only or in the ending or in the middle, no problem. Now x square plus b by a plus x plus c by a. So instead of this we can write directly x minus alpha into x minus beta. Otherwise do it. See, minus of minus b by a I am writing plus into x plus c by a. Now which is equal to x square minus b by a means what? Minus b by a means alpha plus beta into x plus c by a means what? Alpha into beta. So the expansion of this one can be written as x minus alpha into x minus beta. Otherwise you do simplify and take common, you will get that one. So finally ax square plus bx plus c by a means x minus alpha into x minus beta. So let I am taking equation 1. Okay. Now take condition 1. First one I am going to prove now. What is the first one? Alpha less than x less than beta. Alpha less than x less than beta. Means what? That means we can write alpha less than x and x less than beta and x less than beta. Alpha less than alpha is less than x, means x is greater than alpha, right? Alpha is less. See, it says alpha is less than x. Next, x is less than beta means beta. Now alpha bring left side, it becomes x minus alpha greater than 0. And here beta bring left side, x minus beta less than. It is x minus alpha value is greater than 0 means positive. X minus beta value is less than 0 means negative. So if you multiply both equations, x minus alpha into x minus beta becomes what? Less than or greater. Think it. X minus alpha value is greater than 0 means suppose 2 or 3 or 5 or 6, let us take some 3 positive number. And x minus beta is less than 0 means negative number. Take any negative number. So plus into minus becomes minus. Whatever minus value is less 0, yes, less than 0. So it becomes less than 0. Is it clear? Say x minus alpha value is above 0 means positive. X minus beta is below 0 means negative. So positive into negative, negative. Negative means the total value becomes less than 0. That's it. So equation 2. See, now ax square plus bx plus c by a is equal to actually this. X minus alpha into x minus beta. So therefore, from equation 1 and 2, ax square plus bx plus c by a is equal, what is equal to x minus alpha into x minus beta? Value is less than 0. So is less than 0. So we got the x square plus bx plus c by a less than 0. Means what? What about the sign of these two functions? Is it, if it is positive, suppose let I am taking this positive, then what will be a value? Becomes negative, because of positive by negative. Positive negative means negative only it satisfies to get a less than 0. If both are positives, we get positive value greater than 0, but it doesn't satisfy. So to satisfy this less than 0 condition, if it is positive, it should be negative. Otherwise, if it is negative, it should be positive. Therefore, mathematics say ax square plus bx plus c and a have opposite sign. Opposite sign. That's it. Is it complicated? First one, have opposite sign. And what about second one? Second condition. What is second condition? X less than alpha or x greater than beta. Means two conditions in different way given. Suppose x less than alpha I am taking. Then what about beta x beta relation? Actually, alpha is smaller than beta. Alpha is smaller than beta. Am I right? Alpha is smaller than beta. Alpha smaller value, beta bigger value. If x is smaller value less, then bigger value compared with again very less. So x is very less than beta because of alpha, this is a given condition. So based on this condition, I expressed x less than beta also. So now x minus alpha becomes less than 0, x minus beta becomes less than 0. Now do products. So x minus alpha into x minus beta. So less than into less than means negative into negative becomes positive. Okay. Take x greater than beta condition. X is greater than beta given. So then implies what I put x and alpha relation. Beta is greater value. Greater value is less than x. Then smaller value is very less than x. So very less means x greater than alpha. So if x is greater than bigger value. So here x is very greater than smaller value. So x minus beta greater than 0 and x minus alpha also very greater than 0. So x minus alpha into x minus beta is greater than 0. So both are same conditions. So then we can add. So here I am writing. Therefore, from 1 and 3. So these two represent same equation. So equation 3. From 1 and 3, what we can write? Ax square plus bx plus c by a is greater than 0 because of the value of this function got it greater than 0. If it is greater than 0 means both are positives or either negatives. Therefore, ax square plus bx plus c and a have same sign. Same sign. Got it? Third one also true. So this is the solution of this. Like these are the theorems. If you are getting huge trouble to understanding these theorems means you just leave the theorems and do more focus on problems 1 to 8 problems because of most 99% you can get the question from those questions only. Okay, very rarely we can expect this question. If you are able to understand, please continue the preparation. Okay, if you feel difficulty because of if you are not able to understand this problem means if you focus on this better to focus instead of this easy questions. Instead of this one question you may learn 5 to 4 very easy questions. So like that's the answering. Okay. This is the theory. If you want one more time, please listen again this video. Now take the last problem. Okay. Sorry, 11th question. If the equation x square plus ax plus b equals 0 and x square plus ax plus b equals 0 have a common root and second equation has equal roots, then prove that 2 into b plus b equal to ac. Okay, condition we should do, and the given information is two equations are given, two quadratic equations, and both equations have a common root. This is one of the conditions is given. And the second condition is the second equation has equal roots. What is the second equation? This one has equal roots. So here two conditions are given. One is given that x square plus ax plus b equal 0, equation 1, and x square plus ax plus b is equal to 0, equation 2. So given that equation 1 and 2 have a common root. So one root is common root. Okay na? And second equation, given that second equation means what? X square plus ax plus b equal 0 have as equal roots. Equal roots means let the equal roots are alpha and alpha are equal roots. I am taking. So common root. So one of them is alpha. So here one common root means alpha. So let alpha is a common root. Common root of both. So is it clear? Both have common root, that I am taking alpha, and the second equation has equal roots, so must be alpha and alpha. That's right. So if it is alpha is the root of equation 1, so then equation 1 becomes, it satisfies the first equation, then it becomes alpha square plus c into alpha plus b equal to 0. It becomes equation 3, and alpha satisfies the second equation also, then second equation becomes alpha square plus a into alpha plus b equal to 0. So with this 4 equation there is no use, and use the third equation and come to here. Both roots are there. Then condition, sum of the roots. Sum of roots condition is what? Alpha plus alpha equal. Condition is minus b by a actually, but here x coefficient is minus a. Minus a by 1. Since minus x coefficient by x square coefficient. General condition is this minus a. So 2 alpha is equal minus a. That implies alpha equal minus a by 2. And product of roots condition. Product of roots what condition is constant term by x square coefficient. That means alpha into alpha is equal. What is the constant term here? B by x square coefficient 1. So alpha square equal to b. See, first write down these steps, then write down these steps. Okay, first given 2 equations and given that have a common root. So that common root I am considering as alpha. If this alpha is root, then it satisfies the given equation. First equation becomes alpha square plus c alpha plus d equal to. Next, one more condition is given. Second equation has real roots. So second equation has real roots means those real roots taken as alpha and alpha. Okay, now the sum of the roots becomes minus x quotient by x square quotient. According to that, minus a by 1 means minus a quadratic. So then alpha equal minus a by 2. Second condition, product of the roots is constant term by x square quotient. Okay, now alpha and alpha equal b by 1. So alpha square equal to b. Generally, we take minus b by a, c by a when it is in the standard form ax square plus bx plus c. But it is not in a general standard form. Otherwise, you can compare with capital AX square plus capital BX plus C. B means A means 1. So B by A means we get minus A by 1. So instead of that confusion, I have written general standard formula, that is minus x quotient by x square quotient. Okay, use that. Then, okay, alpha square value is b, alpha value is minus b. Substitute this alpha and alpha square values in equation 3. Then we can get the condition. So now substitute alpha is equal to minus a by 2 and alpha square equal to b in equation 3. So what is equation 3? Alpha square. Alpha square means b plus c into alpha. Alpha means minus a by 2 plus d is equal to 0. So now b minus ca by CAR. A into AC by 2 plus D equal to. So B plus D keep absent in the left side, AC by 2 send right side, and 2 bring left side, 2 into B plus D is equal to AC. Okay, now what is the condition? Hence true. Okay, these are the 4 marks questions in this quadratic expression chapter. As I told you, especially when I give the link of part 1 of quadratic expressions in the description, I will give you. So please follow the videos or according to the part 1, part 2, part 3, so and so. Easily understand and easily you can get the marks. And thank you for watching my videos and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.